Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to set up the dynamic QR code in FeedMe. So the dynamic QR code normally used in a very large area of the food court that you are short of human power, and then your additional device cannot connect to the Wi-Fi due to the range is too long, so that the customer can scan the order and take order by themselves. However, for the dynamic QR code, there's a con side from them, which is first, you cannot order the food that measure by weight, such as seafood. Means that when you scan and take an order, you cannot key in the weight. So you need to order by the counter or order with the waiter. Secondly, for that area must have a very stable internet so that the customer can scan and order. Third, this might not very user-friendly for the senior citizens.
First, go to your browser and log into your FeedMe portal. Then click here and select to order setting. Then click on Dine In. So in Dine In, select on your outlets. Let's say I select my Seng demo. Then for the general setting, anonymous order means that customer can order without login. If you turn it off, customer need to sign in their phone number in order to take order. So normally I will advise you to turn it off so that customer can order without login. After that, user can turn on ignore stock, which means that your item can order even though it's out of stock, and it won't deduct on your stock also. If you decided to print out as an acrylic and put it on your table, then you can turn on for the static QR code. Furthermore, you can allow the customer to put an item remark or not to. And next, you can turn on accept queue, which means that the customer can use the queue in the FeedMe apps, and they will receive an SMS once they got a vacant table. Then, for the accepted payments, if you turn on the offline payment, means that the customer need to pay at the counter. If you click it here, you can edit it, such as the customer pay by cash, and you can put an instruction which is please pay at counter. After that, just click update. For the e-payment means that if you turn it on, customer need to do the payment after the place order. So how to turn on e-payment? Very simple. Go to the menu, click on setting, click on payout account, select on your outlet. Let's say mine is Seng demo. Click add payout account, fill in all the details, take a photo of your shop, upload your bank statement, SSN or trading license. After that, just click update. After that, go to your post device and turn on the FeedMe post. Then go to the setting, click on the setting. In the operation, under the restaurant, there's a dynamic QR code, which means that if you turn it on the single use, the QR code will reset after the payment. You can set the duration, which is it will expire after 1 hour, then just put it like this. Just click confirm. Then you also can edit your remarks. Let's say I put scan and start your order. Then how to print out the dynamic QR code? Very simple. Hold on the table and select on dynamic QR code. Then it will show like this. And this is the remark they can edit at here. So either you can turn on the single use, or you also can set on the QR code expired duration, and you can select the printer to print. You can click reset. Then the QR code expire type will reset again. If you print it out and scan it, so it shows that it's under my outlets and my address and my dining table. So as you can see, you can order the food or you can put the remarks at here. After that, just click add to cart. So there's some food that you can order, such as the item that need to measure by weight. So in this case, you need to ask the waiter or order at the counter. Let's say for example, I order this, add to cart. Then there's an offer. Either you can skip offer or use it now. Then after that, you can click on the cart. Then just click place order. Then you can turn it off or select the promotion or discount. Then it shows that please pay at counter. After that, just click place order. Then you will receive an order in your main device. Click the robot. Either you can click accept or reject, or can click here to view more details. Let's say this product I can serve it. Just click accept. Then you need to click send, or can print the bill and ask the customer pay. Then it will show like this. That's all for today. Thank you.
So cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Genius Phone, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找 post system 找 Aseng.